It's the season of celebration. There's holidays, weddings, Diwali, so many events happening. And what better to make during this time of the year than kheer? Kheer is a sweet and creamy rice pudding that's perfect for all kinds of occasions. Watch me as I make it. I soaked a quarter cup of rice for at least 2 hours. Once the rice was soaked, grind it finely like this and set that aside. In a hot pan, I boil 1.5 liters of milk, and then to that I added a can of evaporated milk. And then I let the milk boil on medium to high heat for a little while. Once the milk was boiled, we then added our cardamom pods, and then we added the crushed rice. Since this is a sweet dish, we obviously have to add the sugar. I added 3/4 cup of sugar, and from there I let the kheer boil and continue to stir. This is the key to making kheer. You want to continue stirring because you do not want the milk or the sugar to burn. And as you can see, as it starts to boil, it'll start to thicken. You'll start to see little bubbles, and that's how you know it's ready. I ended off the kheer by adding a little bit of khoya, some crushed almonds, some ghee, and a little bit of gyora essence, which enhances the flavor of the kheer. Kheer is honestly the most perfect dish to make for any celebration, and it's so easy as well with such limited ingredients. The only issue is you have to make sure that you continue stirring and continue to keep an eye on the kheer so it does not burn. And there you have it, the creamiest, easiest recipe to make. And for all my girlies who just got married, this is perfect to make for your mother-in-laws. Be sure to chill this in the fridge for at least 2 hours before you serve, and enjoy!